What do you think about an Indian MBA course? Indian MBA course. Um, I mean, I feel like an MBA course is, they're all the same, but it's just a matter of where you're gonna work, right? So if you're gonna work in the US, you do have to see if it's accepted here, right? So I've had some friends that have an MBA, not an MBA, but a high degree from a different country. But then when they come here, it doesn't apply. They have to redo it, go back to school because it doesn't count. So you kind of like have to look into that to see if it's gonna count here, if it's gonna be, if it's gonna hold the same weight, right? So in India, it might be, um, you have an MBA, but then here it might be like, that's, an undergraduate level. You have to take more courses. You have to do this and that. So you just have to do your research when it comes to that part of, finding if it's going to be compatible, if it's going to have the same weight